What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Ravenfield on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website to download it. So go to the Steam website. After that, search up the game Ravenfield and then select the game. As you can see, if you scroll a little bit down, the game is currently available with a temporary offer of €8.74. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is open the link in the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this webpage. The next step is search up the same game, Ravenfield, and then select games on the left side, sort by price lowest first, and then you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and then you can select it. Now the next step is to purchase this game for just €6.80 compared to the price on Steam of €8.74, and this will save you a bit of money while downloading legit games online. Now, once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!